Life and I could do what I want to, yeah. I make time for the things I like, yeah. Baby, we can do this all night.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a DIY face mask using these products. So let's get on. See, my skin is very dry and it's cold. It's winter time in Louisiana. I'm going to be using an avocado, lemon, and honey. So avocado works on all skin types. It boosts collagen. It has vitamin B and E in it. Lemon brightens your skin, remove blemishes. Honey, face scars, help with mild cuts and wounds. Cut the avocado. I'm messing down. So I decided to get a fork instead of a spoon because it wasn't working. So smash it till you get like a paste. So I'm gonna use my mask brush. This is messy, y'all. So use a shirt, something that you don't wear often. I'm going to tone with my toner from Avocado. And I'm going to moisturize right after. So this is what my skin looks like now. In the morning, it will look so much better. So this is the end of the video. Make sure you comment, like, subscribe, and tell a friend, bring a friend, watch it together, whatever. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye, you guys.
And you only live once, live like